everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So today I'll be showing you how I do my everyday makeup look with using affordable products, and all the products will be under rupees 500. This video is for beginners who don't know anything about makeup. I hope it helps. First I'll be using this moisturizer from Dermaco. This is my favorite moisturizer for dry skin. A good skincare before makeup is such a crucial step, you can't skip it. Don't forget to put a moisturizer around your nose if you have dry skin. Otherwise, the foundation won't stick well. You can see how my skin already looks so hydrating. The second step will be priming. I'm using the inside primer, and priming is also a very important step before makeup, and you can see that I'm not using the primer directly to my nose. If you put too much primer on the nose, the foundation won't stick. Instead, I will rub whatever is left on my finger. And now I'll be using this Insights color corrector. I love using Insights products because they have nice quality and they are very affordable. You don't have to buy expensive products. You can also achieve the same look with these products. So I will use this shade to color correct my under eyes. Use a very little amount of it as you don't need much. And I will color correct the dark spots and the darkness around my mouth and slightly blend it with the brush. I have been using these brushes since 3 years now, and they are very affordable and very nice. I will also link them below. Now I will slightly set the color corrector, tapping off the excess product because we don't need much. That will ensure that our base look natural and not cakey. So just use a very little amount of it. Trust me, if you follow these steps, your base will look flawless. Now I will use Mars foundation, and I will mix it with my moisturizer because it is slightly drying for my skin. So if you also have dry skin and your foundation dries your skin out, then use this method. I will spread the foundation with my fingers evenly. Spreading it with the fingers will ensure that you are applying a thin layer of foundation. Now blending it with the brush. If you have beauty blender, you can also use that. Just don't apply the foundation directly to your under eyes because it will cause creasing. One more thing, don't drag the product like this. Instead, you should dab the product in your skin. I think you will find these tips helpful if you are a beginner in makeup. And also do not forget to apply foundation on your neck. And now whatever is left on my brush, I will dab that on my under eye and over the eyes. Now you can leave it as it is, but I will use a little bit of concealer because I do have noticeable dark circles. So I will apply the concealer on my under eyes and blend it with the brush. I love this concealer. This is from Swiss Beauty. Now I am using a bronzer to give some warmth to my face, applying it on my cheeks, my chin, and a little bit on my nose. I'm not that good in contouring, so I use bronzer. It helps to bring back some dimension. The nose contour I am blending with my fingers, and I will blend the rest with the brush. You can also skip this part as this is a bit tedious, and if you are a beginner you can skip it. Now I am using this eyebrow pencil. So if you are a beginner, you should use it with very light hand, like feather-like strokes. Just fill in your brows. I was going to use the mirror of this compact, but this happened. I don't know why everything is breaking in this video, but anyways, I'm fine. Let's do my eyebrow. I will use a spoolie to brush out my eyebrows and blend everything in. Now I will do the other eyebrow. I know I do look like Sinchan, but trust the process. Now it's time for the blush. I will dab off the excess on my hand and I will apply it on my cheeks very lightly because this is a very pigmented blush and I don't want to look like Chutki. I like to use it on my nose, my chin and my cheeks. I think it looks natural. So now I will use loose powder to set my whole face, and you can see I'm scraping off the excess product. If you apply the product directly onto your eyes, then it will look patchy and cakey under your eyes. You don't want that. I'm setting my whole face like this, and now it's time for eyeshadow. I just use one brown shade all over my eyes, dab off the excess and then blend it onto your eyes. Use very less product because you can build up later, but you can't remove if you have already put on so much. This is my go-to eye look, so every time I do this eye makeup, I get so many compliments that my eyes look so good. Now I am curling my eyelashes with the help of eyelash curler. I know it may look scary to you, but trust me, it's an important step and it's worth it. You can see how much difference it makes. Now I'll be using a mascara. scrape off all the product from the mascara wand. It will ensure to not clump up your lashes together. I really love this mascara from Mars. This is very affordable yet works wonderfully. I use 2 coats of this mascara and it changes the whole look of my eyes. I focus on the outer corner of my eyelashes because it elongates my eyelashes very beautifully. Now whatever is left on the wand, I will use it on my lower lashes. Now you can leave it as it is, but I like to apply second coat because it gives the look of falsies without even applying them. You can clearly see how much of a big difference it makes. It looks like I only have eyelashes on my right eye. I hope you are not getting bored because I'm explaining everything so much. This video is for beginners. So here my auntie came and she complimented my eyes. Anyways, I'm applying eyeliner here. I'm doing just a wing on my outer corner because I think that complements my eye shape the best. Here I'm just perfecting the eyeliner. If you also have eye shape like me, then you can also try this technique and tell me how you like it. Now the next step will be using a white eyeliner. I really love using white eyeliner on myself because it makes the eyes look so big and doll like. I will also apply it on my inner corners and blend it with my hands like this. I do this eye makeup every single time and every single time I get amazed how different the other eye look with no makeup. Tell me in the comments if you like it or not. So I will quickly do the other eyes as well. So I'm done with the second eye. I have done so many steps but yet it looks so natural. Now it's time for the lips. I know it's not a lip liner but I use this Maybelline brow pencil as lip liner because I really love the shade, and you can also use it as lip liner because makeup is so versatile. But if you don't want to do this, I will recommend some affordable lip liners in the description. I have already lined my lip and now I'll use this lipstick in the middle of my lips and I will just blend it in using my fingers. Now I like to apply the brown liner in between my lips to give some dimension and darken the shade of the lipstick. Now we are almost done. You can see how beautiful it looks. I have not applied any highlighter to my face because this is my everyday makeup look and I don't really apply highlighter that often unless it's a full glam. So with that we are done. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I would love if you subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, do share it with your friends or family who doesn't know how to do makeup. And truly this video is incomplete without his entry. मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ? Thank you. Bye guys. You listen to him, okay? Subscribe to this channel and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.